everybody, No Gas Nico here. Guess what I just got? First, before I get started in opening this package so I can reveal to you what's inside, don't forget to subscribe, click that like button and the notification bell so you can get more updates on product reviews, EVs, solar, all the stuff that I do. So just go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? You've seen me before. Click that little button. All right, so finally came in. I ordered this like months ago, like back in February. So let's open it up. This is the CCS to Tesla Supercharger adapter. So I'm going to open it up. First look. This is from Lectron. They do make a lot of stuff, EVSEs, adapters. So, and here is the box. Got decent weight. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Got a little Q-Merit Safety Quality Guarantee. It's got a little QR code out to check that out later. What do we got in here? It's got the user manual. And I'm sure it's pretty straightforward. But let's open her up. Check it out. That's beefy. It's got some weight. Very hard plastic. The release for the locking mechanism on the CCS. And then the Tesla adapter. Now, I got this with anticipation of using Tesla Superchargers for my BMW i3. Problem is, they haven't opened up Superchargers up for BMW yet. Now, so I don't think I can use this. I'm going to try to use it and see if I can get Tesla to go ahead and charge my car. I doubt it's going to happen. I'm sure Tesla's a lot smarter than I am to be able to prevent me from doing that. And it looks like it does have a release here on the bottom for the Tesla side. So you have a release for the CCS and a release for the Tesla. And it feels pretty rugged. I like it. Again, they love the QR codes. I got another QR code here on the unit itself. So O-rings on the inside of the 1772 part. Can't tell if there's any O-rings inside the CCS. And I'm sure the O-rings are on the Tesla side, probably to seal it up, or they're down there at the bottom and I can't see them. But there you go. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to do another video where I attempt to use this at a supercharger. Very excited. If it doesn't work with my BMW, I'm going to implore the help of somebody and see if I can charge their vehicle with my adapter. All right. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can see the video of me attempting to charge my BMW with this. And whatever else I got coming up. All right, thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll talk to you soon.